Hey, YouTubers! Are you tired of your editing software costing more than your camera? I get it. High-quality videos usually mean high-priced tools. But what if I told you that you could level up your content for free? Today, I'm sharing 3 game-changing editing tools that pros use, and they won't cost you a dime. First up, for color grading, DaVinci Resolve is the industry standard. Yes, the free version is powerful enough to make your footage look like a Hollywood movie. Next, need amazing graphics or thumbnails. Canva is your best friend. It's super intuitive and packed with templates that make designing a breeze. Finally, for crisp audio, Audacity is a must-have. It cleans up background noise and makes your voice sound crystal clear. Stop letting budget limit your creativity. Try these tools and watch your channel grow. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. See ya.